Well, we've entered rainy season. No more work videos until this stops. So, just walk around and see how things are growing. Looks like the coffee is doing well, starting to turn red. Quite lovely. Still a lot of lilikoi. Lots of fruit. Got some on the ground down there I need to pick up too. Yummy. All the trees are happy. The drought is over. Lots of new growth on the longan. The Rolinias are happy too. And a couple more. Looks like some limes are getting ready here. Nice. Love these hibiscus, they just never quit. A little droopy from the rain. Lots of new growth on the star fruit. Lantana's always pretty. Oh my goodness. Loads of chocolate ghost peppers. Gonna have to make another batch of hot sauce. The last one turned out awesome. Lots of finger limes. I can focus on that. Some fresh buds as well. A lot of these little fruits on my jackfruits. I think they're males. None of them ever set, and I'm not sure what the trick is there. They got to be a female fruit. Lots more lima beans popping up. Love this jaguar cacao. Beautiful tree. Theobroma bicolor. Finally getting some first fruits on my Fisher navel orange. Kind of excited about that. I have yet to grow an orange here, so that'll be fun. Spanish pink lemon. I think it is also making some, I see flowers. Oh, that smells so good. I have got lemons off of this one before. Pretty annatto flowers. Lots of pods on that. Forming nicely. Got loads of them. What's up, Cheeto? What's up, kitty cat? Meow. Yeah, I'll get you some food here. Loads of baby lemons on this little tiny potted lemon cutting. Kind of excited to see those come out. Peppers, peppers. Hawaiian chilies. This is a Reaper. Got some new peppers coming out on that. Jigsaw peppers down there, the pretty purple one. And oregano is beautiful. Love that plant. Smells so good. Leaves are very thick and crunchy and watery. Some anthuriums under there. Little bed I made. Got some poha berries forming on here. Nice lanterns. Those are going to be yummy. Got lots of them. Greenhouse is a disaster. Baby quadrangularis popping up there. Looking a little yellow. I think they need more light. Asparagus is doing great. More asparagus. Some tomatoes. All the other plants. More hibiscus. Staging area. Cacao looks good. tamarind. That's what these little guys are. Seed grown. It'll be fun. I think that is an egg fruit. More little coffee plants. Jabuticaba doing well. No idea what the status of the air layer is. Still got a month or two before I check on those. The banana transplant looks like it's throwing a keiki. That makes me happy. Aw, look at it. Little baby down there. Looks like the pigs have not been back since they ravaged my lower area here. I hope they stay away. Everything is intact. Poor sad little avocado. Still very yellow since they dug it up. Oh, lily koi's growing like crazy. It is Vivace season. Yellow cherry guava. This is the invasive monstrosity. These little fruits that it grows gazillions of them. Fruit flies get really bad this time of year. They're actually pretty tasty little fruits. But the tree is just a menace. It just consumes everything. Forms these impenetrable walls. It's just crazy. Lots of sugar cane that needs to be dealt with. Really need a press. Got plenty of it. I can propagate more. Alright everybody, I'm going inside. It's getting crazy out here. Take care, stay dry. Bye-bye.